Actually, you can make this easier.
What are you doing? Nothing? You're doing nothing?
George, wouldn't you fucking antagonize me? You take your ass home.
Leverage tube. Going.
I think he's going. Would you provide me some counter? I'm not. Well, maybe not. I don't know if your side's broken yet. Oh, this quad truck's gonna be a shit show. Says, I don't know where to handle that. Really hard, like, you would not be able to do this. If you're on my spot, I think it's Redford. Go through your arm. Keep pinning you down. What? Hell yeah, my dude.
Pretty dope.
Okay, what'd you do?
I know that we have to maintain, we have to retain one of these, I believe. I'm not sure. So, okay, so there's a nut, like a captive nut, welded onto a piece of steel. Welded right there. So I fucking put a fucking wrench, I broke the welds, which this is like 6 spot welds. It's not like impressive, but it's impressive, alright? It's clearly luck in physics. So hey guys, say hi to Gunner's Garage. Oh, okay, so since last night, I got this control arm stuck backwards in the car. We got one more bolt on that side on the other lower control arm. And so we're gonna go get a torch so we can heat it up and hopefully loosen some stuff up, but we'll see. Or else I'll be my car on jack stands the rest of eternity and Justin Scrub.
Alright, bro.
Oh, sweet.
So we did all the work. Gunner was dicking around. Doing some bullshit.
Yeah, come on, bro. What are you doing?
Like, what the fuck, bro?
What the fuck?
Bro.
But you're doing some hard work. I'm just fucking around.
You're right, bro. What the fuck are you doing, bro?
You actually gonna do some work here, bro?
Yeah, you gonna work, bro? You just gonna fuck around, bro? Huh? 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 What are you gonna do, bro? That's not an answer, bro. You need a real answer, bro. What are you doing, huh?
Use your words. Use your words.
Use your vocabulary, bro. Alright, what are you doing?
We're just putting in the... I'm just like, I don't know what I'm supposed to say.
Alright,
What the fuck are you doing?
Putting this...
Bro.
Bro, let it out, bro. It's okay. It's okay. We're a family here at Gunner's Garage, bro. I'll tell them for you. Alright. He put in the lower control arm, and then he put in the shock, and now he's putting in
The shock mount for the coilover?
the spring mount for the coilover.
Spring mount, yeah.
Right here, bro.
And I guess it goes on top, which looks different.
Top is always better than bottom, what we say.
Oh, you tell them, bro. Top better than bottom, bro. That's what I'm talking about. We got a true player in the house, bro. What's your name, bro? What's your Instagram, bro?
No.
No, bro.
Not today, bro.
Oh damn, bro.
Underscore.
What, bro?
Fucking homo.
What the fuck, bro?
I don't want a bunch of followers, bro.
He's
Don't
using
follow
us,
me. I
bro.
want you to follow me for me.
Yo, bro. Follow me for me.
What the fuck, bro?
This
It's a little
is
too vivid, bro.
Nah, bro. This is too vivid.
dude, how does this motherfucker make it look so
Looks like
easy?
he's fucking himself.
Damn, bro. You talented, bro.
Damn, bro.
Bro, you fucking yourself with two hands.
I want you to follow me for me. Are you recording that?
This is going in it.
It's moving. Alright, so we're putting in the last part in the rear. And these fucking isolators fucking don't even fit. So we're cooking it. Because we're hungry as fuck. Oh, it just slid right on. It totally works. There we go, folks.
Dude.
Cook your.
That's so funny. It actually did. Alright.
Pro tip. You're
Even-
putting that little isolator thing on the bottom of your control arm. Fucking cook that bitch.
Evenly cook it, 350 degrees, a little paprika, salt here and there, a little bit of butter, you're good. Your coil.
Hard round 2, baby. You got this. Yep, the Mustang is on completely slammed rear coilovers.
Okay.
How hard am I going to rub on giant ass tires? Pretty fucking hard. Alright, how low? Let's go.
Hold up. Oh,
What the fuck?
sound like a spring.
Oh, really? Oh!
You were on your fucking nuts. Dude, looks dope as hell.
Oh, bro, that's lit!
Damn.
There's a lot of noise, so...
Well, it's probably just everything settling, maybe.
Yeah. Here, let's see how...
Nothing's broken.
Yeah.
Oh no, you have to drive it.
Yeah, dude.
I wonder how stiff this shit is. Oh, dude, your ride's gonna be so fucking.
Hey, I'm not on my fenders, though.
Here,
So
push
this
it,
is
push
cool.
it down.
This is fully slammed in the back. Honestly, we're low. We're not too low.
That's pretty low, because when you do the front,
We did front
it's gonna
seat.
even out. You're gonna be low as fuck. You
Is
have to-
it? Like, this used to be like up here. I like my truck was like.
It's like low as my car.
Yeah.
Damn, you're gonna look dope as hell.
And then plus this body style, like on the GT, the skirts go down to like here.
Buy like mud flaps. I don't know.
I know, I want to buy my flaps really bad.
But
I'm
yeah,
gonna tighten my lug nuts up a little bit more.
we could finish the front ones.
We could. We could do it right now. I'm actually kind of motivated to do the fronts.
How hard are they?
Not hard. It's like 2 bolt strut, the 3 bolts on the top of the mount. Let's just fucking do it.
Alright.
Yeah.